Uh-oh, what's that? It's on outside. It's a bug!
Yeah.
No!
What's up, my clack pack? Just Climber. None of these songs I have any right to.
None at all.
So, Psychosis
Stop!
just got a new car.
Yeah.
Pretty nice. I would show you, but as you guys can see, it's like nighttime.
Want me to call it? Okay.
And
Ready.
Call Clayton.
Call. Using
Maggie's phone.
Please say the name or number to call.
Clayton.
Did you say Dan Comstock?
No. No.
No. Did you say Amber King?
No. You shut
Cancel.
up.
Returning to the main menu.
No.
Ready.
Just wait. Okay.
Pair. Pairing is not. Thank you. Goodbye. Ready.
Call Clayton.
Did you say Clayton?
Yes.
Okay, calling Clayton using
Maggie's phone.
Your sister's on the phone.
Sister's on the... Oh, bye. Call me.
yeah, you know it's me. Bitches
You have an incoming call.
Locally, hopefully, I'll be at the couch soon from now on my house. On the couch.
to answer a call. Push your voice command button.
Hello? Oh, we gotta go.
Call ended.
Oh, I quickly hung that shit up. Oh, shit. But, yeah, my sister got the 2016
16 Equinox Chevy. 104 miles on this bad bitch, and 84 of them are mine. Spot. I got a backup camera. Like, here, I'll show you really super quick. We're gonna freak some people out, but watch this. Yeah, buddy, backup camera, not at the light though. I'm gonna fuck around. He's like, dude, what the fuck is she doing? We're gonna take care of some responsibilities.
Well, she is.
Gotta get my lunches so I stop spending money, because now I got a pretty hefty car payment. It's okay, though, I'll swing it. I think there's something bad in my purse by your reaction. I have a SpongeBob comic in my purse because I had to bring it home from work because it was clouding up my desk and I didn't want to throw it away.
Oh, but anyway, let's get back to this bone ass car.
Oh yeah.
I like this. I don't know what that does. It says manual setup.
I just passed Rambo Road.
Bye, Rambo.
That's a road we needed.
That's the power and the volume. Have a little
I can do it
background.
from here too.
Right there on the steering wheel. Hazards. Have you touched it yet? Damn it. Heaters. Awesomeness. She has an aux port,
We're not lost.
FM radio, XM. Let me kind of turn that down just a tad more. Quick info, config, and tone. And then in here, she has a charger.
Remember the Buick where I'd have to hold my fucking... and sometimes all the lights are cut out?
Yeah, that was fucking scary, especially when you were on like a dark ass
Like we were
road.
going out to the casino in the Idaho.
No rights to these songs. All credit goes to the artist, producer, songwriter, all that.
And
stuff.
XM radio.
And XM radio, because that's what we're listening to, guys. That's still so. I can get all up in your grill again.
Let me introduce you to this. 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 Let me introduce you to this pretty.
Hey, Mountain. Yeah, I talk shit into your family. Yeah,
I thought it turned into the dirt and then went up by the llama.
you did.
Okay.
My camera's autofocus is fucking stupid. Like it's blurring out your face like it's a disease. Then I turn it to your stereo, it autofocus.
I'm not possessed, dude. Like yourself. Here we go. Sorry, car, for getting me dirty.
What are you naming your car now?
I don't know. I was thinking either F-Dub for future wheels, because I like that one. Or the Dragon Wagon was a pretty cute one that I liked. But she is a she.
Dragon Wagon?
Yeah.
You should use that, that's nice.
It's not really a girl name though.
Let's turn this off for a sec.
Oh yeah, this car is boss.
So you guys can kind of see what we see. We can see a little farther than you. And she is correct.
Leave the light off for a minute because there's a car behind us. That's weird for out here.
And it's what?
It's weird for out here.
It's weird for people holding cameras in front of their face talking to them too.
Makes sense.
Oh, this got oil too. And
We used to be like distant cousins, fighting, playing cousins, all neighborhood buzzing. No, that we buzzing, used to catch us on the roof.
Yeah, this car handles very nice.
it does.
I don't think she likes to get that dirty though. Yes.
Oh well. We all have cars we love. I miss my Chevy.
She doesn't like to get dirty. It's not her fault.
I miss my Chevy. I named it Marcy.
I've never called a car a her before. Hell no. How's that for handling car?
Okay, guys. Me and Psychosis are going to close this off. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to share 4 things. And I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Peace out.
Deuces.